Let me get to that gate. Hello. Cheeky bugger, yeah.
Stone. Block. Come on in.
I said if I didn't bring my drink, I would want one.
This is the entrance to the main chamber. As we first walk in, we have a chamber here on the right hand side. It's so cool in here, although it's quite warm outside. And on the opposite side, on the left hand side, as you walk in, there's another chamber, not quite so big. Very eerie in here, isn't it, honey?
It is indeed. It's cold, isn't it?
Yes. And then we have another chamber which we can't walk into, which is a bit smaller. Also on the right, a second chamber. So there's 5 chambers in here in all.
You see the markings on that stone up there?
Yeah, now is it markings or is it candle burners? Because I can see and smell lots of places where people have burnt candles in here.
There's a lot of nooks and crannies, honey.
There are. And then another very small chamber here to the left.
So would that be an air vent?
I wouldn't have thought so. There's just little holes in the stonework, little bits where natural erosion and things.
There's a complete hole though, babe.
So here's the main chamber. And in the main chamber we have lots of offerings to the gods.
All the spirits, darling.
And to the spirits. I have been corrected. It's so cool in here, isn't it? It's quite remarkable.
So this is one of the outer chambers, isn't it?
This is one of the middle chambers.
Was it a middle chamber?
It is.
There are not all the others
There's
now.
2 more on the outside.
So you've got the inner,
2 middle,
2 middle and
2
2
outer.
ends.
Well, the people have been here because they've been putting offerings in places.
Yeah.
But that's probably the old original stones, because you see how they block it up. They put a stone in and they blocked it up. That's how they blocked up the bodies in there, you see. So yeah, so maybe that's its original.
Yeah. Well, this is what I thought. A chamber, but little parts for each chamber. I would love to see behind those.
Behind further on, yeah.
Yeah. We've got a Route 9. Hello. Oh, I'm glad to be back.
Apparently there were 52 bodies here in this tomb or Long Barrow in West Kennet, and back in the 1500s, after they were discovered, a local doctor, which we can't remember his name, apparently he was taking the bones out and he was grinding them down to make medicine.
Oh.
Yeah, and he was selling it to the local gentry. I don't know what sort of medical purposes it would actually have, but there we are, he was making money out of it.
That's a shame, isn't it?
Yeah.
People put their loved ones in here thinking it's rest.
That's right.
Yeah. First time up here, isn't it?
It's amazing up here, isn't it?
I love
Absolutely
it.
amazing.
Got a bit of a walk to go. You've got about a mile's walk to get to here.
Yeah.
Because it's in a field, isn't it?
That's right. It's in a cornfield. Actually, it looks like it might be barley.
You're authority on grains, aren't you, darling?
Well, it looks like barley, but then again, it might be wheat, one or the other. It's amazing because all the little nooks and crannies in here, they all have little holes and little bits and pieces.
Offerings.
And offerings, yes. If you're visiting the Avebury area, it's definitely well worth the walk up here. Parking is out on the main road, which is free, and it's totally free to get in.
That's good, because that's about the only thing that's free around here, Lee.
That's very true.
Mind you, if you go to the Stones, it's not free, is it? You've got to pay parking.
You're going to pay for parking at Avebury.
Avebury Stones are free to enter, but you've got to pay for parking. I think it's about £8 normally,
I think it is, yeah.
Do you think people were buried underneath these, babe?
No, these were just basically holding everything up. These are the uprights.
Yeah?
But yeah.
How long has it been here for?
Too many years.
15 something, is it?
No, it was the doctor back in the 1500s.
Oh, right, okay. You make the spirits jealous.
So heading out towards the entrance of the Long Barrow, which the entrance is facing east. Apparently during the spring and summer months, if you come up here during sunrise, the actual sun rises between these two cracks here.
Oh, it's getting windy now. Is it 13 metres long, babe?
I think it's supposed to be 13 metres long, yes, honey.
I know, I think I heard somewhere that it was 13 metres. Well, I wouldn't say this was 13 metres, would you?
Yes, I would.
You would?
They might class it from the main headstone.
All right. Oh, which is the main headstone, darling?
I think that's the main headstone. Just here, right in front of the doorway.
Didn't they, years ago, put all I can't think what.
Yeah, this doorway here, where you're stood,
yeah,
would have had a big stone basically put in front of it. Once all the bodies were in there, this would have been stoned off somehow.
I think they did that, but then you had archaeologists.
Archaeologists, yes.
Came and removed.
Archaeologists?
Archaeologists. Oh, I think we'll cut that bit out, shall we? Yeah. Archaeologists.
Look at this bit here. This, I don't know whether that's natural or on that stone there, or whether it's.
Well, maybe then when they rolled the stone in, babe,
yeah, maybe
that might have done it.
Maybe that's where they wedged the stone in to block this off originally when they built it.
I wonder what date the archaeologists opened the tomb.
Well, I think we'll have a read of that outside.
Come on then, let's go and have a look, shall we?
Let's go and have a look around the outside, shall we? What was the
I should have asked that lady how much it was to park up there.
Yeah. Watch the poop.
Years of people walking on the stones, darling.
Yeah. How smooth the stones are. Imagine how many people have gone up in there over the years.
Did they keep it open all the time, or did they close it up after they'd had a certain amount of people?
I think once the people were in there, they did close it up.
Yeah.
Yes, we're walking along the length of the Long Barrow now. Lovely view here over to, is it Pillsbury Hill or Pillsbury Hill?
Silbury.
Filbury Hill.
Silbury, I think.
It's just over there in the distance. When they built these chambers, they built the chambers along the Long Barrow here, and then basically they dug the earth and the chalk from each side coming over. So we're facing down the Long Barrow now. We're actually stood on the west end of it, the back end, towards the front, which is the east. That's facing over towards Marlborough. And we'll spin round, and we're going to be heading down towards the south now, and that'll be, I suppose, down towards Salisbury.
Yes.
And then this way we'll have Devizes, and then we're west here, coming around slightly to the west. There'll be Carn and Chippenham, and then we have Avebury Stones, and Swindon roughly to the north, and back round to the east. If anybody knows what these marker stones are around the Long Barrow are for, maybe you could comment down below. Quite a nice little walk actually, isn't it?
It is. I think it's about a mile long.
Yeah.
You're squeaking. Is that my bottle making you squeak? Here, let me take my bottle off. I know we're squeaking. It's not my joints, I'll tell you. There you go. Thanks, babe.
That's better. I'm not squeaking now.
No. Don't you just love it when the wind blows through?
Blows through the corn.
Or whatever it is.
Yeah.
Barley. What a lovely day.
Just nice that we've been able to get out and have a little walk around like this.
Yeah, I feel so much better now.
Good. It's good to see her back out with us, isn't it, folks?
Yeah. I've missed coming out actually.
Have you?
Yeah. Oh, having long hair.
It blows in front of you, does it?
Yeah. Shall I have it all cut off, babe?
Yeah, if you want to. I'll get you a tin of Mr. Sheen.
Well, no, shorter. What do you think?
No, I like you with hair like how you are. That's how I met you with long hair.
You did, didn't you? Well, that was what, 16 years ago?
Yeah. And that was all by chance.
It was, wasn't it?
So as you can see, the path is quite nice and walkable. I expect it's a little bit slippery when it's wet. The farmer doesn't mind you walking up through here, but obviously he doesn't like you walking across his crops. There are signs about asking you to stay just to the path. Limited parking. There's room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 7 cars in the lay-by. You can probably get 8 or 9 if they were to park a little bit closer. You could probably get about 9 in there, I reckon. Did you enjoy that, honey?
I did.
Good.
Do you know, we only live a couple of miles away from here, and we've never booked to be able
Never been.
Never come. Mind you, we've got Avebury Stones we've never been to either,
No.
so we'll have to give those a go.
I see how dedicated we are to our viewers. We have got up at the crack of dawn on the following day of the main filming of West Kennet Long Barrow, and we've actually come up here to see the sunrise. It's very cold, And we're actually stood in the doorway of the Long Barrow, but the actual main headstone, the main stone that we showed you yesterday, we can actually see the sunrise behind that. So it is facing dead on east, isn't it, honey?
It is, it is.
So let's go out and see
We're
if we
going to
can
brave the wind.
brave the wind and we'll go and see if we can see this lovely sunrise together.
Oh, it'll be lovely, babe.
Yeah.
Come on then, let's go. Oh, babe, it's coming out. It's beautiful. Can you see that?
Well, there she is. Bit
Isn't that
cloudy
gorgeous?
this morning, but what do you think of that then, honey?
Sorry, darling?
What do you think of that then?
Gorgeous. Mind you, I don't think the photo's going to do it justice, honey. Honey, they are taller than me. I am scared.
They're fine, they're only cows, honey.
Yeah, I know, but look how tall they are.
So look at that one. That's a man-eater.
Oh, I was going to say, she's just given me the shifty eye look. She did.
Look at that one. That's the man-eater. Ooh. Oh, you got to watch out for brown ones. They're dangerous.
Oh, well, stop it. Oh.
Oh, you can tell she's a townie, can't you?
Are you videoing me?
No.
I hope not. Oh, there's a baby cow there. Calf.
Oh, look, the brown ones. That's the ones you got to watch, babe.
I can cope with this one because I'm taller than this one.
Hello. Oh, they are. Morning. See, look, they're not
What's
worried about See, they're not worried about you, look.
Let me get to that gate.
Hello. Ooh. Oh, that's the colour you got to watch, babe. Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
they're big.
Hello. See, they're not worried about you at all.
Oh, how am I supposed to... Oh, that wasn't there earlier on.
No. You step over it.
Quick, baby, quick. Oh. I feel safer now.
Well, that was West Kennet Long Barrow. We do hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
It was very, very interesting. Well worth a visit if you're up and around this way.
I think there's one thing we've got to say though, babe, was it wasn't 52 people, it was only 36.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please maybe like, share and subscribe. Maybe even leave us a comment down below.
Yeah.
And if you like this video, maybe you like this one up here to do with the winter solstice. Very short film, but a very interesting film.
We enjoyed that, I like that one.
Yeah. Or this film up here.
And what's that one, Debbie?
Whatever YouTube puts on for us.
Oh right, okay.
See you
See you
soon.
on the next one.